In this video, I will show you a complete step-by-step guide to install and use Tampermonkey for Tribal.io. If you are new to Tampermonkey, don't worry, just follow each step carefully. First, open your browser and go to the extensions store. Now search for Tampermonkey and install it. Once the installation is complete, you will see the Tampermonkey icon in your browser. Click on the icon and open the dashboard. Now click on Create a new script. You will see some default code. Select all of it and delete it. Now paste the script I provided in the description. After that, click on the Save button. Now go back and refresh the Tribal.io game. At this point, the script should start working. Make sure the script is enabled from the Tampermonkey menu. Now go to your browser extensions page, open Tampermonkey details, and follow the same settings I am using to make sure the script works 100%. Also make sure that Tampermonkey is allowed to run on the site, because sometimes browsers block extensions by default. If your script is not working, double check that there are no errors in the code and everything is pasted correctly. You can also try disabling other extensions that might be interfering with Tampermonkey. Many Tampermonkey users don't know this, but this script may not work properly on a Windows local account. For best results, make sure you are signed in with a Microsoft account on your system. This is important because some browser permissions and sync features work differently on local accounts. You can also allow an Incognito in the extension settings. Open Incognito mode by pressing Ctrl-Shift-N on your keyboard, then open the game again in Incognito mode and check if the script is working there. If it works in Incognito, then your normal browser settings might be causing the issue. After applying all these settings, your script should work smoothly. This script helps improve performance and makes your gameplay